Acura's system can easily be updated wirelessly or through USB, ensuring you can always enjoy its latest features and enhancements. When a new update is available, you'll see this notification on your vehicle's information display. To initiate the update process, select System Updates from the home screen. The easiest way to update is via Wi-Fi. If you don't already have an established Wi-Fi connection, first click the menu button. Then Connection Setup. Here, click Change Mode, followed by Network. This will display a list of nearby Wi-Fi networks. Click on your desired network. You will be prompted to enter the network password if required. Click Connect to continue. Note: you may not be able to connect to a public Wi-Fi hotspot that requires browser-based access, such as Starbucks. Once connected, on the System Updates menu, you can now click Via Wireless Connection. The system will then automatically check for updates. The system will download and prepare the files for installation. Once the update is downloaded, you may now select either Install Now or Install While Vehicle Off. Plus, you can view a complete list of enhancements that are included in the software update. Clicking Install While Vehicle Off will install the update once you power off and leave the vehicle. The next time you start your vehicle, a message will appear indicating the update was successful. If you do not have a home Wi-Fi connection available, visit your local Acura dealer to complete the system update. Alternatively, updates can be made using a USB drive. Go to System Updates and select Via USB. You will be prompted to insert the USB drive. It will then copy vehicle details, which you will then take with you to the website for USB system updates. To download the latest update, please visit usb.acura.com. The website will then take those vehicle details and then copy system updates to the USB drive. Then plug the USB drive back into your vehicle. Select Install Now when you are prompted for system updates. Once complete, results will be copied back to the USB drive. Remove the USB drive and reconnect it to your computer. The website will then send installation results that the update was completed. Make sure to complete this last step, as you should now see Installation Completed on your computer screen. This closes out the system update process.